Hey guys, welcome back to my garden. Today I wanted to showcase two pretty rare roses that are pretty hard to find in the United States, and that is Amorosa and Wellenspiel. Both of these roses I purchased in, 2023, 2024 from Palantine. So here is Amorosa, and this is a Kordes rose. This rose is fabulous. I really hope someone will bring this to market more mainstream in the United States. It has florist rose qualities, thick sturdy petals, lasts forever, at least a week and a half. It has no fragrance, some slight thorns, but overall it is just absolutely gorgeous. I will say that I found this rose takes a little bit to get going. I didn't see any blooms until the second year, but totally worth the wait in my opinion. This rose kind of reminds me of David Austin's cut flower Miranda, so it's a good dupe. For in the garden, it does get quite large, so I garden in zone 5A, and by the end of the season, it is up past my 6-foot fence. It does bloom in both sprays and singles. I find that it's not a continuous bloomer. It does repeat maybe 2-3 times in my short growing season. Obviously, the most spectacular blooms are in the spring, which is what I'm showing you here. It's a fast grower. Next to it, I have Wellenspiel, which is a rose that I also got from Palantine. This is another Kordes rose, so it has excellent health in the garden, and I love the bloom shape. The cupped shape kind of has like a romantic old-fashioned rose feel. This rose is pretty fragrant. Again, I don't know where you can find this more mainstream in the United States. I had purchased this from Palantine, who are sadly no longer offering roses. This is a decent cut flower. I forget how long it lasts. It's not bad in the thorn department. So if you're able to find this, I would highly recommend it. And as always with my channel, I try to show blooms from garden to vase. So I will leave you with this arrangement I had made that includes Amorosa, Grandma's Finest Rami, and Royal Diva, and Aleza. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll tune in to the next one.